you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need.
Hi YouTube, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. As you guys can see in the title today, it is a pretty little thing haul. I went over there, I got me a couple of things, and I hope you guys will enjoy what I got today. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Everything that I have on will definitely be linked in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Okay guys, the first thing we got, it is this jumpsuit right over here. This jumpsuit right here. It's cute. Y'all see how long it is? I am standing literally on my tippy toe, and you guys see how long it is. It is very long. It is cute and everything, but only thing they got me with this jumpsuit is I got a size 8. It is 8 is a medium with them, but I wish I got me a size 6. Y'all see how much space is left, and it's very roomy right here in my stomach area. And then the top part, they do have a boning. You guys see this? That's a boning right here, but they did this boning very terribly. Like, it is terrible. It won't stay. It won't hold my girth up. If you have a small breast, this might work for you perfectly well. But for me, I don't have a big breast, and neither do I have a small breast, okay? This ain't working for me. You need some kind of double tape, triple tape, double-sided tape, something to like lift your girls up so this could stay on you. I think I'll return it and get a size 6, and then we'll see where it goes from there. I just don't understand why they would do this and there is no support at all for the girls. I wish this was bony and they have like a wire or something under here to fix this, but other than that, this is gorgeous. The color, everything, it is so cute. This one is very stretchy. It is tall girl friendly. I love the fact that it is tall girl friendly. It is really, really cute, and I love I'm gonna add it, trust me. Okay y'all, this is the second one that I got right here, and I don't come for me, it doesn't need to be ironed. This is how the outfit is. Hopefully y'all can see the texture. If y'all can see it on my arm, y'all see it right here. It is wrinkled. It is a wrinkled material, which I am loving, okay? This is this one right here. It's a 2-piece set. You're gonna buy it separately though. That's one thing I love about Prettylittlething. They let you buy your set separately. So you could get the top in a smaller size and get the bottom in a smaller size. I bought both of them in a size, I think I got a size 6 on both of them. And you guys can see how long this pants is. Like literally, your girl is standing on her tippy toe. Just like the jumpsuit, this is a tall girl friendly pants. Like it is literally up past my belly button. Like this is where my belly button is, and this is where the shirt is. It is freaking long, but guess what? I am here for it. I am here for it. This is cute. I love the long sleeve of it. It's a button down. Let me turn this down a little bit. Okay, there you go. It is buttoned down. You guys can see it is buttoned down. You could style it in any way you want. You could any way you want. You could tie it this way if this is your style. Leave it open like that. and put on your heels, and you are good to go. This is so cute. You could just leave it like this if you want this open, or if you want, you could button the whole thing up and look like this, or you could put one side in. The pants is a little bit see-through, but it's not going to see-through like if you wear black underwear, ain't nobody going to see nothing. So you could just do this. Wrinkly silk material, this ain't for you, but if that's what you like, this is it. I love it. I really like this, for real. Okay, y'all, this is our next one that I bought together. I know I'm late to this crinkle green pants. I know everybody and their mama have it in their closets, okay? I know I'm late to it, but one thing is, I thought I bought the top and the bottom. Tell me why your girl bought 2 pants. I'm waiting. Tell me why I bought 2 pants. I bought a pants in a size 8 and I bought another pants in a size 6. Like, check your damn cart before you check out. Oh, always check before you check. I was so upset, but I wanted the top. I'll probably order that later. And this top also is from Prettylittlething. It's just a simple crop white button-up shirt with a collar, long sleeve, nothing special. It's crop, and I like both of them together. Nigerian Independence is coming in October 1st, so I might wear this. You feel me? If there's a party going on, I might wear green, white, and then carry me a green bag or a white purse. This pants also, like I said, tall girl friendly. This is a size 8, so I decided to keep the size 8 because of length. I like the way it's long. I like the length and everything with this one. So that's why I'm keeping the 8. I know it's a little bit big, as in I could add my son here and my 2 daughters on this side of the pants. So y'all, it's just one little crop thing that is showing at the bottom. But this is what this one looks like. It's a nice, cute top. You could just wear it on top of a short, a jean, or whatever, and you are good to go. Really cute, really nice. You could also leave it open if you want. You could also leave it open like this. A nice bralette like this one under it. Just leave it open, make it a crop top like that, and you are good to go. With a biker short or leggings, I think this will work perfectly well. Alright, y'all, the next thing we got is this shirt right over here. It's supposed to be a dress, but because of your girls, you know, this and this, I can't wear this as a dress whatsoever. It was buckling up right here and all that good stuff, so I have to put on a pants. So better dress. If you don't have a lot of butts and you don't have a lot of hips, you could wear this perfectly as a dress. It will work pretty well. On the side, it has a tie right here that you scrunch together to give yourself a waist, or you could unloose it so it could be free on your body. And also on the side, it does come with buttons and stuff going down. So I didn't even do anything to it. I just did it like that. Pretty thick, so this is definitely for the fall. It's like a khaki material. It's a light green situation. So this is definitely for fall. It ain't for this 110 degree here that we have in Texas. Okay, I'm just letting y'all know, because I'm putting this shit on and my behind is sweating. I can't even wear this right now at all. So this is cute. I love it though, with a nice booty or a nice pump. Oh, baby. You could also leave it open like this. I really like it like this too also, and it's really cute with a nice purse and all that good stuff, nice heels, and you are good to go. Okay, y'all, this is the next one. This is also supposed to be a dress, but baby, I wore it as a dress and it fit perfectly well as a dress. But the only problem is the hook that it came stop right here. My coochie rider. In what world do y'all think any human wants to wear that kind of outfit? Just like that. Nah. Not where I come from, the fuck. So I decided to wear it as a shirt. And what y'all think? This is the back. I fidgety love this. Let me move close so you guys can see. It is a blue, a baby blue color. Can y'all see anything going on right there? It does come with a cute color right here. I just love it. And it has ruching right on the side, and the ruching part on the side is like a chiffon material. And this y'all could just touch this shirt right here. If you ain't buying nothing in this haul, please buy this. Size up though, size up. Okay, y'all, this is the next thing that I got. It's just a nice, beautiful blazer. Again, y'all know your girl addicted to buying blazers. Please, I love me a nice blazers. Like my blazer rack, I need to look through it and see ones that need to go. Pop them on Poshmark and sell some of them, and you know, buy some more. I'm just saying, okay? But let's get back to this. This is a cute, really relaxed blazer. I wish it had, ooh! I thought it was a full pocket. I thought it was a full pocket, but it does have a pocket. So this is so cute. Dressed like this to go to a brunch. So cute, and I could wear this to work also. Put a nice shirt under it and a nice pants, and I'm going to work. Plus it does come with this I don't know what kind of, some press button, press clip, whatever it is comes like that. But this is it buttoned up, which would never be buttoned up for me. Yeah, I don't think I would ever wear it buttoned up because it's too square for me. Yeah, so leave it open like that. And yeah, I just like the relaxed feeling of it. It gives me, I really like that. It's not too constricting. I could lift my hand up, I could do things, I could move around. I'm not constricted or anything like that. So yeah, if you like blazer like me, this is a nice, very flimsy, not too structured, but it's pretty good. Okay, y'all, this is another blazer that I got. It is also chill, relaxed. I'm trying to fix the color a little bit. It is also chill and it's also relaxed. I love it. It's double-breasted, as you guys can see. You could button it up. I think one of the bottom kind of pop up. The inner button kind of pop off. Aww, that's sad. I don't know where. This is a button up, which will never be button up for me. Does it have a pocket? It does have a pocket. Yay! Oh my god. But yeah, this is this one right here. It's a nice lavender color, purple, my favorite color. But yeah, this is cute. I really like this. I love me this too. And the color on my skin tone is like air fine. It is air fine. I love this. This is something that I could just wear to work. That's mostly the reason why I have a lot of blazer. I like putting blazer. It makes you look professional at a work setting. You know what I'm saying? So it makes you look professional. It makes you look cute and classy and all that good stuff. So yep, that's the reason why I have a lot of blazers. So yeah, I like this. I like the fact that it's not constricting at all. Like I could just stick my hand in it and I'm ready to go. Like, nothing crazy, nothing special, babe. Okay, this one right here, I don't know how I feel about this one. This looks like my dad's shirt. You know what? Why though? Why is it this big? Why is it so big? Why is this shit so damn big like this? But you know what? I could wear this as a dress. And I could wear tights under, like those stockings. I like wearing stockings. What do y'all think? This is not a real pocket, by the way. Yeah, this is not a real pocket. It's not bad. I got this from Amazon. So if I wear this with it, and a nice gold purse. Where's that my purse? Am I tripping? Or do y'all like this? Also from Amazon. Do y'all think it would look cute? To me, I think it would look so bomb. The dress has no, you don't just see that. It has no shape, no nothing to it, but knowing me, I will make it work. Let me see. Okay, y'all, let me stop dancing. All right, guys, this is this green right over here. Something about green lately, orange, I don't know what it is about with me with those two colors. It's like I've been gravitating to that yellow. I don't know why. I've just been gravitating to those colors. You see my little ring too that I got? It's green. So it's like I've been loving green. But yeah, this one. It's more of a jacket. So you can wear it as a jacket. It does come with this two actual big pocket right over here. Really cute, really nice. I love shirt that I open on the side like this. I love shirt like that. They're cute. You can wear it as just like I put it on. A booty, a boot, whichever one you are good at doing. And you could also wear it as a dress. Actually, take out this pants is kind of thick, so I tried on as a dress, and I'm able to wear this as a dress with a nice one of those thigh-high boots for this fall, because this is also like a khaki material. It is pretty thick, so you cannot wear it this weather. It's 100 and some degree. You cannot wear this one, but I love it. I really love this. Can you guys believe I've been talking for more than 10 minutes and I didn't press record on my camera? I just can't. So this is this one right over here. It is so gorgeous. I do have it in white. I had this a while back. I bought this one last year. So, but they didn't have any other color of it. So that's why I decided to buy it now in this orange color. This orange though. This orange on the skin. It's popping. I ain't even gonna lie. It's popping. It looks good. It looks really look at my skin. I mean, yeah, the skin still got to do with me drinking my water, drinking me some good collagen, you know, eating my vegetable and my fruits and all that good stuff. But to this right here, it's like, look at my skin. Look at my skin is just glowing with this orange outfit on. Like, I love it. It's good. It's cute. It's I didn't do my nails either, guys. Your girl's going through a lot. She just got through COVID. Second time COVID. But yeah, anyway, I love this. I really like this. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you guys watch it all the way to the end, you guys are the real MVP. Don't forget to check the description box. There's a whole bunch of goodies for you guys over there. Go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.